knowledge and truth. Our forefathers spread, mighty the nations.
Mighty the nations, mighty Sierra Leone, mighty Freetown to Makenibo, Kenema, Cambia, Koinadugu. You want to help me? Okay, without wasting any time, we could just bring the cricket team, then go present Uda and Uda, then get with them. But let me only under first and with the man himself, the sports reporter, which you always do with winner Daniel Oldfield. This is not just a sports special where we get right now. Now I make with the bring up. Yes, Daniel Oldfield, you get the platform, sir.
Yes, thank you so much, people, and thank you so much. This is one of the happiest days I get because, I mean, you know, all they talk about sports. We know the value of sports in a country. And recently, before President Bill, presidential candidate Bill they come, one point premise to say, and go stamp out corruption, and go stamp out this and that, and then he says sports, and go revitalize sports. Well, and not a couple months we don't say, although football depend their own, what's in depend, but we don't know say football not the only sports that alone. Now they see what the cricket team they do. They don't begin doing. They mean they do them. Now they don't do them. In just few months into this new direction, the national cricket team, both the man, the under 19 and the woman, then they go places. So I want to congratulate both the woman team na Botswana we will talk to later, and right now the men's under 19 team. Well, I believe so. We'll get the CEO. We'll get the winner Trevor Francis Samoa. We'll get the team manager winner Daniel Kuma. We'll get the captain winner, very powerful captain winner George Edward Gibai. And of course, we'll get the powerful man with the guidance winner George Punde. So Triple A, I think so we'll go start with the CEO winner, they sort of coordinates everything, and he gets somebody who will the delegation too. So right now we'll go first to Trevor, when a big time cricket let's tell me how this thing don't go and what they don't do so far.
Thank you very much, Sarah Network Radio, and also all the panelists then at the program. I tell you my thank you on behalf of the Sierra Leone Cricket Association, the players, membership, the government and people of Sierra Leone for giving this opportunity for say out the successes then, challenges then, and the hopes and aspirations we look forward to in the coming days. And also connect with people and get this information across the country, Sierra Leone and abroad. So far, we came to South Africa on the 10th. On the 9th of August, when we arrived South Africa, we get 1 week high performance training at Albertine School Cricket Academy. We hire a South African cricket coach. We add to the coaching staff, led by George Punde and assisted by Mustafa Kalon. Then we give the players high performance training, improve the mental aspects of the game, and also other skills. So that will get help you a lot. We come to this tournament. This tournament now 19 in total in Africa participate, divided into 2. 4 in Group B, 5 teams in Group A. Group B, you get Nigeria, you get Mozambique, you get Lesotho, and you get Ghana. Nigeria and Mozambique don't qualify in Group B. Now, round robin tournament, when I pitch it over as ODI. And Group A, Sierra Leone, Tanzania, Botswana, Swaziland, and Rwanda. Now, they're in Group A. Now, round robin also, Sierra Leone and all the other teams don't play 4 games. Sierra Leone happen to win all the 4 matches. And Sierra Leone are the group leaders. So Sierra Leone don't qualify for the semi-final, and also Tanzania don't qualify for the semi-final from Group A. Then from Group B, Nigeria qualify and also Mozambique qualify. So Sierra Leone will play Mozambique in a Group B, semi-final tomorrow, and also Nigeria will play Tanzania in a Group A, semi-final tomorrow. So the 2 teams will go for final, will get automatic qualification to the African Division 1, ICC Cricket World Cup African Division 1 qualifier. This is the Under-19 World Cup 2020 we get for playing of South Africa. Now the roadmap, this now the pathway this now for go to the Cricket World Cup. So we don't qualify. We do hope for play Mozambique tomorrow and qualify go for the finals. The finals will play on Tuesday, and Monday will be a rest day. So we look forward to a win tomorrow. We get a rest day on Monday, then we prepare for the grand final on Tuesday.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. But when that year they happen, you get the man with the sort of galvanize the team. When Mr. Kroma when the team, Mr. Kroma, if you did it, I would like for you to tell listeners them for manage team like this with young but under 19 players them. Then go play, come all the way Salon, go play in a high altitude South Africa. Mr. Kroma, you go tell listeners them how we able to manage this team from Salon. And not to the first Salon I don't go. How far I don't go with this team, Mr. Kroma, please, the team.
Well, as far as we do now, we don't qualify to the same. Start the campaign because the 9 teams we get, and then show down into 2 big groups. Group A get 5 teams, we in a winning group, and we get 4 teams. We on group now Salon, Tanzania, Swaziland, and Botswana. Before Nadiadi, Tanzania, we also play against Botswana, we also play against Rwanda and Chile said we just don't win against Swaziland. We don't take it to the same as Group A winner. So far, now that's
Okay, thank you so much. I think so you get your captain because when you get the team, when I cannot put out the team, but you get somebody, not to the coach or the team manager, they go play, right? You get somebody with the guiding company in pairs the while they play. So, and that person there, in fact, at one point I read that the forum say, the very powerful captain, George Edward Gibber, I don't see in picture, look like a tall guy like me, and I'm guiding company at the top wise and the ball and in the field. So now I talk to George Gibber, let tell me how it feels. Because one time I win best player. How George Edward Gibber feel for being a captain when team don't lead through. Let me talk to George Gibber, let tell him company, because this can serve as an inspiration to the other players. Let me talk to this wonderful captain with a ball and bat like nobody's business. Let me hear from George Edward Gibber, please.
Good evening.
That's right.
For the past 2 weeks, we can't win. We don't do the tournament already in the first game. We don't qualify. That's not an easy job because for getting next game to get a tell them talk to them not easy for me. But right now, I try to think because the only team today we don't win. So took off for return achieve as best win. And that God wills tomorrow we will win against Mozambique or qualify for the finals. And I shall say no final that very far with the beat any other team between Nigeria or Tanzania.
Well, that's very true. I mean, I like your optimism, but you know something? At times, when I can go and feel the coach can don't do your own thing, the team manager don't do your own thing, but you as leader, like the team, like the field owner, like for start for ball, like now I don't win the toss when I start for field or when I start for ball. So, what's kind of rapport in there among us? So, what you can tell your company? Say, we go to this field, we go play for Saru, we go play for we country, we go play for mama or papa or brother. So, what you can tell us before, like tomorrow, when this get, when they get crucial semi-final tomorrow, what's in the world we can get us?
The five of us with the win success with the three. So the three in both Christian and Muslim. Then at the rest team as the captain because we all get mutual understanding amongst each other.
Okay.
At the talk to them, they talk to them. We want to make suggestions how to play. What you want to choose Oscar Flattery to the play. And the vice captain, you are acting a player and they're doing a player back to give input. So that all that to be put together and play so we can get good results as a
Thank you. Well, for let this thing go before, I will let Tripoli come in. Before I talk to the coach, let Tripoli come in so far because it's 7 hours where they kill the follow sports. I think they play cricket in the academy, but I don't know if they catch too much ball, if they get dock and whatnot. But me, I do want a BJ because I've been bad seriously, but I don't been taken for the national team. Let me hear from the boss Tripoli. Let's say for much more before we talk to the coach.
Okay. I think even online, people the way they watch right now through the Facebook, they congratulate the team. I know say at the end of the day, the success we when I don't start so it go happen to the finals. The only question we me want now, I don't know anyone pound away today, we feel say go answer for we, it go fine. Because when you they talk about sports and salon, people know they focus on cricket. People they focus on maybe the athletic side and the football side. Mostly now they get coverage, and plenty people now we go to listen, go they wonder say Salon really get cricket team. So waiting una done they do for make una go able for recruit more people for make these sports go they na the limelight so people go aware say cricket indeed they play na Salon. Anybody can answer them.
Okay, need to come in as Chief Executive Officer responsible for the day-to-day operations of the game Sierra Leone. One of the ways that we don't put in place now for make people aware about cricket, make people not only awareness but participation, involve girls and women into the running of the cricket, either as players, officials, coaches, fans, management, administrators, and also embarked on a nationwide sustainable grassroots cricket development program where in primary, secondary, junior and senior secondary schools up to tertiary institutions for the play cricket. Even if you know we cover the whole country because it takes a lot to cover the whole country, it costs money, and we only get money from the ICC where they give funding to develop the game and also for run the administrative aspect of the game. We can get money from government, but enough forthcoming. This year alone, we don't undertake 5 international tournaments. 5 now don't undertake this year. We not get money from government, not only the money ICT they give for me to develop the game, conduct coaching clinics, training and education, management and administration, facilities, and that money they need to be used for finance the tournament there. And then they affect the smooth running of the game. It stifle the development of the game. It stifle the growth of the game. So we don't get a plan. Because recently in May this year I attend ICC International Conference in Nairobi. They giving the roadmap how we are able to make cricket. We get 20 million people involvement in the whole world, of which 10% of that 20 million for the playing number in like 2 million. So then don't give each country in one quota how much participation it will get, how much percent will increase every year. So with effect from this year, in fact, the school league they start because the school league they don't ban school league because of the violence and the Ebola. But now the Ministry of Education don't lift the ban, so we will start with inter-secondary schools cricket championship with coaching clinics. A lot of cricket programs we don't put in place because when you want to make this game popular, now the schools they make it popular.
Okay. Francis, just a quick one, yeah. Because I know so small will be the play boat kiddie, and boat kiddie gets small. He gets small cricket. People are still play boat kiddie in a salon.
Now, the skill we know they play now, not come on the home, it's more they play the skill. The way now from there we get the skills. Now from there we get the basic skills for throw, for hit a target. The skill they play so not come on so now, not come on.
Okay, thank you. Make up bring Daniel. Yes, Daniel.
Yes, yeah, well, at this point, at this juncture, I think we're going to talk to the most important man. Our cover, who this salon, where now one part, be one of the most powerful cricketers. When I John Punde, Mr. John Punde, you talk here, you know the head coach, you talk on behalf of your deputy, when Mustafa Kalon, and the expatriate coach, when Kenneth Masinga from South Africa. And also, they do a formidable job. Come on, they do a formidable job. I wish I were in South Africa right now, but they each for the day. So, as a coach, sir, tell me how they prepare them against all odds. For how far they don't go so, Mr. Coach.
Yes, we have South Africa already training at South Africa, but the South Africa not be easy to place the cricket. For the player they used to the system of South Africa, it can 10 days for not dramatize to use to the system, for not adapt to the system of South Africa because it plays when the cold. So don't come out South Africa, don't dramatize, we put them giving the knowledge, and the knowledge they pass to the better the way they train, we not train the better than victory.
Well, how you cope with the expatriate coach Coach Masinga? Because at times, like football, so people can say, "Oh, are the coach and go take coach can put on top made." But I believe say on the flow smooth, na the cricket association because jealousy can come. But now I talked to the coach, the CEO yesterday. They appear as if they're online. So how do you work with them about with this coach inclusive of the technical staff?
Yeah, because international approach. If you look at from our own land, but who's still they will pass to where they are. Will go back to the coach. They are plastic coach. All that you don't teach me, they will not a good coach. They don't coach me a lot. That's experience from us. And the experience you don't get from another pass to the better, they don't feel the idea. That's good coach. They compare each other. It's tell you what you should apply. So then they get experience, they get victory.
That's right. I want to give me one last word on your side. Come tomorrow, will they play against Mozambique? Then after tomorrow, will they play the final? What do they tell people? We go Division 1 or no go? I mean, emphatically, I want to say.
I mean, my God, because all the coaching they would have been like easy because but it's not the way they play tomorrow. And I'm sure people in our channel they play for you and this trophy they do a guy. The trophy belongs to you because Gary that play don't think they do. All the things that play they play me. And the better girl is to play the cricket and they don't motivate for giving cup kind of salary. And they give this cup of salary about God the power. Let's wait and God the power. They give it cup.
Oh, okay, well, I've been saying last one, but you know what, the top in the tongue, you know, what will be the cover quadrangular, so the cover. We can get hard time with Nigeria, then tell the owner in the play. Nigeria still they put fair into Sierra Leone teams?
Yeah, the guys are calling Nigeria team. They're not good to pass me. You know what the way quadrangular they play in Sierra Leone, that experience not begin. So we can get South Africa. We want to get better coach the way the learning skill, half of ball, half of back, half of field and scripts. We want to get an experience, but we can get Nigeria. Nigeria need to challenge this, but they need to be challenging. They need to possible again. Right now, they play where they play going to be. But all the watch are need to. So they play right now. Right now, they play me. Okay, thank
you. Thank you so much. Well, now come back to Trevor. Trevor, I ask you this question. Direct. You remember the last program where we've been men AAA again, we've been questioned how the entity them been go by road during APC time, then go by road and Gamba, then go in, then come. Nobody no do nothing for them. Paul Kamara, the minister that sent the directors for the lie, Pantifikine. We take on this program. Our right side and the Rolfs corner, we attack the train and so left both. Now we don't get the new direction. Where the president don't say, well, it just come, but this go on go so. That would be very blunt because me I take them on my page, I say no, we not a football no more. When the stars they go play, they go all out and they support them. Why now? Why waiting the new direction? President Bio, Namal Exports doing in this with MPRC. They do sport, they do well. Now we know say just come and what not, but waiting the government do this seven that they go so. I want to be very open for tell me.
We not get money from government before we come. We send budget to the government through the Ministry of Sport. When they work on the budget, we they hope for them to reimburse me when we return. Now that we they hope for reimbursement, because all the finance ministry they get them bureaucracy for release money. We don't need to get money
at the
time, but we hope when we return them they reimburse me.
But like the same reimbursement at the last time, come 2016, there was a promise of reimbursement. We recover this program. Me, they tell them plain. That's how they tell them at SLBS. And they tell them plain. We care for support sports. Now, this go them go to a delegation goes to. They need to go fly the flag of the Cricket Association at the Sierra Leone flag, green, white, and blue. We don't left on a business system, on a work, on a family there. So we hope and pray. With the join President Bill and in government, do you what is him turn back? Minister will go turn back to our own fact. We go monitor this program here, waiting and they do for support cricket association and other disciplines, and not only football. So I believe as we scale down now for around the program, one leg you tell me a little bit about, because we're going to talk to the female team because they're doing presentation right now. We will talk to them later. What do you say about the woman that we're playing in Botswana as CEO of the association?
The women they don't do fantastically well. One of the good things that will happen to Sierra Leone as a nation for the past 3 years are the female cricket. 2015, as you recalled, we go by road, we come by road because money no need for buy ticket, and we flight when we get after Ebola term, pass ticket for go to Morocco, you can have Senegal before you enter the Gambia. So no we afford for buy ticket, you go by road, you come by road, you struggle a lot, women then go the win. 2018, this year, January, then go again at Accra, then go win the second edition of the NWAC Northwest Africa Women's Cricket Tournament. Then come, then prepare. After we talk to you, then go back to Botswana. Botswana now like the regional, now the African level, not to sub-regional. They don't imagine second. Only Botswana and beat them, they beat Namibia and beat them, they beat all the other countries. This means good for female cricket because they will begin playing cricket now, at regional level, when at the African level, for qualify for go global level. Uganda just come out now the Netherlands, they go play qualifying women T20, but they don't need to qualify. But for the fact that they get the exposure, they get the experience, they meet with other people from different nations, different background, different culture, religion, sex, that's the essence of sports. That's the help for rebuild the image of the country. But people when you talk about Sierra Leone, they don't know Sierra Leone. But when you plan and now they play this guy, you meet with different nationals, you begin to describe to West Africa, you call Guinea, you call Liberia, you call Ghana, Nigeria, then they say, oh yes, West Africa. So this is one of the benefits then, where the woman had to get to Botswana. And of course, Anne-Marie, now the best among the entire participants then, Anne-Marie of the Sierra Leone Women's National Cricket Team, now win the best batsman of the tournament, and we get the runner-up trophy. And we also get about 3 women of the match awards them. So that is a notable achievement for women.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Since we don't round up, go let me the triple go round up now for we because we wait now for the women's side because we got to talk to them too. We wish all the best for the cricket team tomorrow against Mozambique, and of course the final on Tuesday. So as we round up now on your own segment, I will pass on to Triple go tell you bye bye, and please una go hang on for logo listen, una continue for listening to this very program again for logo get woman later on. Thank you so much. Triple, I hand over to you, sir.
Yes, we get Ibambi Yema. He say in the wish you all the best of luck ahead of tomorrow game. Kamares he say save the wish you and Kelvin Kello inside the talk he say na progress from the days of Botskidi. I believe say at the end of the day, what do you want to ask? Yeah, a lot of times we hear sports people ki not able for make them, then can complain say something na the water. So tomorrow then get for go play. Now I don't know if that same water where them be don't drink, where them beat all in team then at the same water they get for drink for tomorrow, or what you una want tell me about the water where una get for drink before una go.
I love that.
We believe God. We don't believe in any other thing other than God and effort. In effort, we believe saving our poor nation. We therefore work for men to become a rich nation. We therefore work for men to become stars. So we need to people away born with silver spoon. Man need to work very hard for those how they should today. We hope to based on the effort we don't make from home. As I talk to you, they start training under rain. We not get any indoor facility. If you look at the picture of the plane at Prince of Wales School currently and the police cricket ground, then you look the current standard of pitches and facilities all they play with Naya, you know, say we don't come a long way for get this achievement. So we always know say we not get we not poor people and we therefore try hard for them to become better people then. Where it will contribute to the country in image, will contribute to the country in success. We will assure the people of Sierra Leone at home and abroad say we will beat Mozambique tomorrow. We qualify go to the final. And when we beat Mozambique tomorrow, then they don't give you automatic qualification to the African Division 1. Waiting on now we go play the final, now know whether they can first and whether they can second. So that the ICC when they rank, when they look at the first, second, third, and fourth, and they will even play Sierra Leone as third ranked country when it comes to under 19, when at the intermediate level of cricket. And that will be very good for me as a nation. So we assure the people of Sierra Leone. Then on our way, they promote sports. I thank you very much for giving this opportunity, for making people really how far we don't go, how we manage to get this success, and what thing we intend to do by the time when the tournament will end on Tuesday. When I pray for you and continue for us, the authorities in power, for help cricket with a portion of land, for make way to develop a standard cricket facility, both training and playing. If you look at the facility where we can use now, it will cost you a lot of money, but if you don't get the land back home, we're able to solicit funds from the ICC and other development partners for construct a state-of-the-art cricket training and playing facility so that we can hire the coach from abroad where they cost me lesser amount of money where they cost you now. Because when you can hire, you get to pay for 18 people accommodation, feeding, training, even the friends the way they play, you get to pay for the umpire, the ball. It cost you a lot of money. But if you don't get real facility back home, we will just bring in the coaches where we go train real coaches there and train the players there. And that will develop the game rapidly. So this can be message to the people of Sierra Leone at home and abroad.
Yes, I believe say that call day we self go begin do anaya because at the end of the day, if we get a state of the art facility for cricket, it will make the people in Safe Salon go able for no say cricket they alive and this now waiting don't they happen. I believe say a lot of people when they listen to me right now online, they wonder say, so now so Salon don't they do good pan cricket, but even the platform for make una tell una story, not even they that much, let alone forget the facility. But I believe say with the help we all go try and push. At the end of the day, if the facility there and everybody there on board, Salon cricket go continue for fly sky high. We wish una all the best for tomorrow game. We know say una already make come una go there na the African level and you never know. Una go must reach the world stage one day. Thank you very much, guys.
I wish the President Bio, and in government they listen to this program. We wish the President Bio and in government they listen to this program because cricket and other disciplines that they go. If football they're not serious, other disciplines they serious, let them pump money outside. Thank you so much. God bless you and I wish you a lot, guys.
Thank you.